Today, we're setting up the Affinity 1 or 2 channel on-off controller. First things first, let's make sure you've got everything you need. Here's what's inside the box. Double check that you have all these parts handy so we're all set to get started. Let's begin with channel wiring. Refer to the installation manual for the complete wiring diagram. First, determine the appropriate wire size and breaker for your setup. This will dictate the size of the cable gland you'll need to drill. If the provided glands don't fit your cables, feel free to provide your own. Connect the power supply cable to the controller by inserting the 2 live wires into the L, in, and N terminals, respectively. Now, connect the ground cable from the power supply to the grounding bus bar. Finally, connect the output cables labeled as L out and N out to the heater. To ensure your controller is properly connected, when powered on, you'll notice alternating red and green flashing lights. With this, wiring for channel 1 is complete. If you're using a single channel controller, you can stop here. If you are installing the Affinity On-Off 2 channel control, repeat the previous steps for channel 2. For setups requiring an expansion board for Ethernet connectivity or connection to a home or business automation system, start by making sure the control is powered off. Then, align the board's screw holes with the controller's mounting holes and push it into place until secure, making sure all wires are clear. Once connected and control is powered back on, you'll see 5 LEDs flash red to confirm a successful installation. If any LED doesn't light up, check your connections. Connect to home or business automation systems by attaching the jumper to the 0 to 10 volt terminal, which will disable the Bromic heating app. If using Ethernet connectivity, control of the heaters remains through the Bromic heating app. That's it. Your Affinity 1 or 2 channel on-off controller is now ready to connect to comfort with the Bromic heating app. For additional support or troubleshooting, contact our technical support team. Thank you for choosing Bromic Heating.